Hi guys, let's have fruit mukbang again. This time I have jackfruit. It's very big. It's 25 baht only, guys. So I'm gonna eat. I ate some already. I already start eating in the car. I know in the bus. And it's very smelly, so I stop eating. Baka maamoy ng mga pasaheros. So this is my favorite dessert, guys. Fruits. I don't like any sweets like chocolate, ice creams, mga yogurt. I prepare this as my dessert. That's why I always have my fruits in my fridge here. It's very big, yummy. It's like my jackfruit in Philippines. Lalaki niya, guys. Oh. If you buy outside, 3 pieces is 25 baht already. Whereas this one, 1/4 of it is 25 baht. Ang dami. Kaysa yung bibili ka 3 peraso is only 25 baht. Sarap. Tamis. Pero ang lakas ng amoy. But anyway, it's only for 1 day smell jackfruit. Christmas dinner is just over, so I have to have my detox, which is fruit for my detox kasi busog. Busog sa mga handa, pagkain. I keep the seeds for me to boil kasi masarap siya na ilaga. Okay. Hindi ko maubos ito, guys. So, I just eat some that I can. And then, I'm gonna keep it in the fridge so that I can have for another day. Sarap. Dami pa. Anyway, thank you. Another fruit that is on sale, so I bought. Thank you for watching, guys. Please watch my YouTube channel and my page, Edna Alwad Chavez. Thank you, guys. Sawadee ka.